You are warmly invited to our shamanic sound ceremony, a gentle yet potent journey beyond the ordinary, where spirit's voice and sound becomes a river for the soul. Larimar and Roberta weave divine and medicinal soundscapes using singing bowls, chimes, drums, and the voice, guiding you into deep rest, stress release, and awakened creativity. This is more than a sound bath. It's an immersive, spirit-led experience that is intended to be food for the soul and to restore your power. Lay back, close your eyes, and allow the vibrations to carry you to a place of peace, connection, and